I'm Marcie Klida Blossom. I'm a member of the Planned Giving Committee for the McLaren Bay Medical Foundation, and I'm also an attorney in Bay City that one of the areas I specialize in is estate planning. And one of the biggest stumbling blocks that I find for people who are considering putting together an estate plan is they use the phrase, "I have to get my affairs in order." I hear that all the time in some version or another. And if I could give one piece of advice when it comes to that idea, it is don't worry about getting things in order, call and make the appointment. I feel pretty confident that most attorneys, we all have different styles and different processes that we use, but I feel pretty confident that most attorneys would say it's better to just get the ball rolling, schedule that first meeting, come in empty-handed if you can, and sit down with the attorney and talk to them about what it is you're looking to do, what some of your goals are. Personally, and as I said, most attorneys have their own style, but personally, I like to sit down in a very informal and relaxed conversation with potential clients and talk about what it is their family looks like, what it is they have, and what it is they'd like to see happen to what they have when they die. I also like to discuss what it is they'd like to see happen while they're alive, because that's an important part of it too. The estate plan encompasses not just your will or your trust, but also medical and financial legal powers of attorney, which apply while you're alive. So this idea of having all of your financial documents, deeds, account numbers, maybe even past estate plans that you've had but have gotten dusty on the shelf somewhere, and maybe they don't know where they are. This idea of I have to have all of this organized, I have to have a list of information. Personally, I don't require any of that. It's more important to come in and sit down and get the conversation started, because it's particularly for me, once we do that, I'll tell you what it is I need for you. And in most cases, clients are often surprised at how little information I actually need. That's largely dependent on the type of estate plan that you need and what your wishes are, but your attorney will guide you and direct you on that. And make it someone local, make it someone in your community who's going to understand the needs of someone that lives and works in our area. But the biggest thing is just making that phone call, setting the appointment, meet with a few different people until you find someone you're comfortable with, and from there they'll be able to guide you on what it is you need. It doesn't have to be scary and overwhelming. Really, what should be more scary and overwhelming is the thought of not addressing it and getting everything in place in the way that you would like it to be. So make the call and just get the process started, and it's your attorney's job to guide you from there.